What is up guys, done at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate a payment link in Stripe. So first you need to head over to your Stripe's website and then you just simply need to sign in with your account credentials. And after signing in, on the left side, you can see the payment section here at the home page. Click on this payments and then click on payment links. And after clicking on payment links here, you can create your new payment links. And as you can see, this is how the payment link looks like. Now to delete it, you just simply need to choose the particular payment link if you have multiple. But if you only have one, when you click on payment link, that one payment link will directly open. So to delete this link, just simply need to click on these three dots and then simply click on deactivate to deactivate it, and then click on deactivate again to deactivate your payment link. So this is how you can deactivate your payment links in Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.